All right, Brandon with Davidson Audio, and today has been a highly requested video. Everybody's been asking, hey, the new Generation 2 Powerband with the bass boost speakers have been released. So we had an amazing opportunity because we had Fred Fisher here with Riding Fish. If you don't know him, you must live under a rock. He is the guy for the Indians. We do the audio side of it. He does the reviews, the riding, install videos, all that other stuff. So when we had an opportunity, him and I were talking, we were doing the audio system on his bike. But that's going to be the following video. We're going to do a couple of videos on install videos for both of these bikes. But we wanted to take the opportunity because we have his bike. We grabbed a set of our off-the-shelf power bands and put them in the fairing of his spicy candy here. And then, so we have fairing power bands there. And we faded everything on this customer's bike to the front. So this is a brand new Generation 2, that's brand new Generation 1. So I'm gonna walk around, show you both bikes, and then we're gonna do an audio demo. And like I said, I'll preface this, the microphones on these phones will not pick it up 100%. It's the best option that we have because the lavalier mics that we both like to use, they distort really easily. I'd have to be 100 feet away for you to even get undistorted. So let's show you both these bikes. I'll show you everything on them, and then we're gonna do a couple of songs and then wrap this video up. All right, so what we're doing here is these are the Generation 2. This is a bone stock 7 miles 2024 Elite right off the showroom. The guys literally picked this up yesterday and rode right down here. So this is getting a full audio build. That's for the next video. But as you already know, bikes come standard with the Generation 2 power band in the lids. And they also come with it in the fairing. These are the backlit versions. I checked this bike out at the dealership myself. So we faded everything in the front. EQ on both bikes are completely flat. I wanted it as unbiased as possible. On both of them, we are going to use Riding Fish's Android phone with the same playlist. We're going to play the same 3 songs. As you can see here, Generation 1 power band. Both bikes, flat EQ, so we can get the best option here, or the best comparison here. And then again, like I said, microphones don't do these things 100% justice. So we're going to play the same 3 songs, same distance away. We'll let Fish do both bikes, and then we'll let y'all decide, and we'll give you our honest, unbiased opinion on both of these.
Also, one thing you have to remember is your speaker is only so good on the device you're listening to. So that could be your phone or your TV. Yep. So if you really wanted a good hearing ability of the differences, maybe pull it up on your computer where you have a couple of speakers, you know,
like
your desktop
speakers.
Or something. Yeah, exactly. Or if you have a really good audio system in your house and your TV or whatever. That's always a cool way of getting these kind of things. Yep. Exhausts are the same way. They start to get weird when you're just watching on your phone or your tablet. So.
Yeah, and I would even take a step forward there. If you have a pair of Apple EarPods or like the Beat headphones or any of those high-end like earphones for your ears, that's going to be one of your best options too. Yeah. So just like to say that because a lot of people are like, oh, I want to hear it on the computer, I want to hear it on my phone. And they kind of all drown together. You already know with exhaust, it's kind of one and the same thing.
Yeah, it's also really hard to like show people, you know, what they sound like. So
100%. So let's go get this rolling because we got to get both these bikes inside and torn apart.
I'm looking wrecking today.
All right, like I said, so we got Riding Fish right here. He's going to do 3 songs, and we're going to let you guys decide. Same distance, same phone, same everything.
Four times at 8, sleep and get paid. Rich when I wait, I bet the bank, I set the pace. Guess what I make, that's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trend. dog.
All right, ready to go to that one?
Yep.
All right, cool. Let's go to that one.
Double A, double up. Yeah. Double A, double up. The money I cut up. Double A, double up. The money I cut up. I'm in the Bay Leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, hey, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big.
All right, so like we just showed you, we compared the brand new Generation 2 power bands to used Generation 1 power bands over there. We want to start this by saying I got those from a customer. He upgraded to one of our systems.
Oh wait, you're supposed to be serious. Hey, hey, you shouldn't have invited me. My bad. Okay.
He upgraded his speakers with our system. So I don't know. I know he had them in there for at least a year. I don't know how old they are. So we're trying to do the best comparison with what we have here. And I do have to agree that they definitely are an upgrade from the first gen. I think if you already have the first gen and you're thinking about the second gen, I would find somebody that has them and listen to them for yourself to decide if you want to upgrade to them, because like I said, those are used and you can't really tell over this phone unless you put really good headphones on. I still don't think that's really going to do it justice. I will say it is an upgrade, and Indian definitely is taking people's advice and making it better. But my biggest thing I want to tell people is these are OEM systems. You're never going to get, like even with the Harley, they have Rockford Fosgate OEM systems. You're never going to get that audiophile look from an OEM system. I don't care if it's these or if it's brand new GMC Denali or a Ford, you're never going to get that. So they're definitely taking a stride in the right direction. We do really appreciate Indian doing that. And we're going to see what Fred's opinion on it is.
I like that they're moving in the direction of getting better, but I definitely do think that Generation 2 sounded better than the Generation 1. What did concern us a little bit is that Generation 1 speaker didn't sound a whole lot better than the stock speaker that we had right before it. So that's what kind of gave us a little bit of, we don't know what condition this speaker is. Regardless, I definitely think they're moving in the right direction, and that is good. But, you know, I got to think guys like Brandon here, you're pushing the game, and Indian Motorcycle, they know who you are, and they came to you. They came to the consumer with a better product because of guys like you, and I appreciate that. You know, a rising tide rises all ships.
Oh yeah.
So as we all, you know, competition breeds innovation. You know, all these little sayings, we all say them over and over, but they're definitely in the right direction. Are they Brandon Davison audio? I don't know. I'm about to find out. I've never had it. So.
And on that note, as Fish has said, we already have Black Candy and Spicy Candy here. They are both getting really nice audio upgrades, but guess what? You're going to have to wait till the next video for that. So with that, Brandon with Davidson Audio.
Fish with Riding Fish. I don't know what I say.
Well, until the next video.
Ride hard, ride fast. That's so you know. Peace!